Hello everyone. This is the Maths B Paper 2 of June 2025. In this video we will be covering questions from 1 to 4. Let us get started. The first question of this paper is a pie chart. The whole chart represents 30 students. All the sectors are divided by their flavors. We are asked to find the number students for chocolate, so we will measure the angle for chocolate. Now we need to find the area of chocolate, using the angle we measured, which we will multiply with total students for our answer. And we get our answer as 7 students for chocolate. For our second question for today, we are greeted by this obnoxious shape. We have to draw a few locus on this shape. The first one is 6 meters from P, which will be a radius. They have given us the representation, so the 6 will be 3 centimeters and 12 will be 6 centimeters. The second one is a line 6 centimeters from QR. This is the first one, radius of 6 meter from P. The distance are taken estimated. Don't copy this, measure it on your own. This is the second one, the line 12 meter from QR. The third one is an equilateral bisector between line PS and RS. S is the common ground for PS and RS. Put the compass at S and mark at both the lines. The length don't matter. Now put the compass at both intersections and draw arc in the middle so both arcs intersect. Now we can just connect the arc with the common S. The last one is shading the area left after drawing so much. For the second last one, we arrive at question 3. This is a very easy question. For standard form, we can count the number behind the first digit. And voila! For the second one, 10 to the power of minus 3 means dividing by 1000. Try to divide with only 100, and then add an extra 0 after the decimal. For the third one, just multiply the given values of x and y in the calculator. For the last one, just add them by putting in the calculator too. For the last question today, this is a joint diagram. For the area, we will use the formula for sector. And we get 10.9 square meters. For the second one, we need to get the total area, for which we need to find BCD too. The angle at BCD is 40 degrees. We can use this 40-degree angle, along with the hypotenuse of 5 to find the other sides and calculate the area. Since angle BDC is 40 degree and there is a right angle, then the last one will be 50 degrees. Now we can use sine to get the length of the sides. Here we get one of the sides CD 3.8 meters. Now we can use the Pythagoras theorem to get the other length. And we get 3.21 meters. So now we will calculate the area of the triangle. Then we will add both the areas to get the total area. Since each square meter will get 35 grams, we need to find the total weight. We can simply multiply and get the total weight. And we are asked to answer to the nearest g, so we will answer in whole value. And that is it for today's video. We were able to make good progress and will continue with the paper from the next video. I hope everyone's doubts were clear and thank you for watching.